What's up everyone? Today I'm going to talk about the Awair element, and I'm going to go over what it is, how it works, and how to set it up. So I ordered this on January 11th and I got it 3 days later on January 14th. I was not expecting to receive it that fast. On the website it does say it can take up to 12 weeks to ship. I might have just gotten lucky and ordered when they were in stock, but just so you are aware, these do sell out quickly on the official website, but at this time it only took 3 days for me to receive this. So this device here, the Awair element, monitors the quality of air in whatever space that it's set up in. So as you can see right here, it monitors the temperature, humidity, CO2, and total VOCs, as well as the particulate matter in the air. It is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant if you are into smart devices. This is a smart device. These devices here work with licenses from the company Planetwatch, and Planetwatch is a crypto related project. It's a decentralized project that rewards users for sending in data about the air quality in their location. So as I mentioned before, the company that rewards you for sending in data from your device is called Planetwatch. The official website is planetwatch.us, and on that website you can read more information about the project and what they are doing. You can also find the team behind the project as well. They are fully doxed. We go to the website and we click on Buy Sensors. Here we can see all the different types of sensors that are compatible with Planetwatch. There are outdoor sensors as well as a portable sensor and an indoor sensor. The indoor sensor is the one that I'm showing today in this video. So if you do purchase the Awair element, you will need to purchase a Type 4 license as well, and I will show you guys where to get that. If you click on the Visit Awair Store button on the Planetwatch website, it does take you to the UK site. So to get to the US site, it's just going to be getawair.com. Then you'll go to products and the Awair element, and this is where you can purchase your device in US dollars. On Awair's website, it does say it takes 12 weeks to ship your device. Like I said, I ordered on January 11th and I already received it on January 14th. So it got here within 3 days. If they are still in stock, it may not take up to 12 weeks for you to receive your device, depending on when you order it. So once you've ordered your device, you can purchase your license. You can wait until you have your device to purchase your license, or you can purchase your license ahead of time. It doesn't start until you actually connect your device to the license. So to buy a license, you'll click on Buy and click Licenses. For the Awair element, you will need the Type 4 license. So in addition to purchasing the device itself for $299 US, you will also have to purchase a license as well. For a year 1 license, it is $42. For year 2, it is $60, and for 3 years, it is $84. So when you purchase this license, you do have to pay for it in the Planet token, and I will say that this step was probably the step that took the longest because the Planet token is on the Algo chain, so you do have to create an Algo wallet. So when you go to check out your license, you will fill in your personal information, and at the bottom you will click on Pay with Bloomy, and that is how you will pay for the license in the Planet token. So I'm going to go over how to pay with Bloomy. Before you even click on that button when you get to your checkout, you will have to do a few things. So first, you'll want to set up an Algo wallet. So you'll go to wallet.myalgo.com and you'll create a new wallet. There is a MyAlgo app, and it is actually easier to sign up on the app than it is online. So I do recommend using the app if you can. And I will show you how to set the wallet up on the app as well. So once you sign up for your MyAlgo wallet, you'll have to sign up for an exchange that is currently trading the Planet token. Right now, those exchanges are Mexi Global as well as Bitmart. So you can choose which exchange you'd like to use. You'll make an account. Once you've created an account on either exchange, you will then purchase the USDT token, and you can use a credit or debit card or your bank account to purchase that. And you'll want to make sure that you load up your account with enough USDT to cover the cost of the license, as well as the transaction fees of interacting with the blockchain. So if you're going to purchase a 2-year license, which is $60, I'd recommend loading up about 65 to 70 US dollars on your exchange. Once you've loaded up your account on the exchange with USDT, you'll then want to go purchase the Algo token. I believe the minimum amount that you can purchase is $5 in USDT, and that is more than enough for the transaction fees. So you'll purchase your Algo, and then once you have your Algo, you'll send that to your MyAlgo wallet. Once you've sent Algo over to your MyAlgo wallet, you'll then want to purchase planets, and you'll want to purchase enough to cover the cost of the license. Once you've purchased your Planet tokens, you'll then go ahead and withdraw those to your MyAlgo wallet as well. Once you have the Algo token and the Planet token loaded up on your MyAlgo wallet, you can then head back over to planetwatch.us and you can check out. Once you click on Pay with Bloomy, you'll connect your MyAlgo wallet and then you'll approve the transaction. And once you've done that, you'll receive your license. So when you unbox your Awair element, it comes with a quick start guide, and here it tells you what sensors there are as well as what's inside the box. So you have your Awair element device here, the power adapter, as well as the USB cable. So I have my Awair element plugged in, and I'm going to download the app on my phone. So when you open the app, it has you sign in or create an account if you don't have one already. And once you sign in, this is what the screen looks like. So once you get here, you can add your device. So when you plug your device in, the blue light will turn on, and that's how you'll connect your device to your phone. So we'll search for our Wi-Fi. And you can pick a location. Mine is at my house. And we'll just go with the default here, the bedroom. And you can name your device. And then you choose what you're interested in. I'm going to choose productivity. And we're going to get started. This walks you through the device and how to use it. It's really simple. And that's it, it's connected. This light here is the indicator of your air quality. So if it's green, you have good air quality, yellow, fair, and red is poor air quality. To set up your MyAlgo wallet on your phone, you'll go to the App Store and search for Algorand wallet, and you'll install that. So once you've downloaded the app, you can either create a wallet within the app if you haven't created one already, or you can import your wallet using your passphrase if you created your wallet using the desktop. Once you have your wallets, make sure that you send Algo token to your wallet first from your MEXC account or Bitmart account. The reason that you have to send Algo over to your wallet first is because we have to add the Planet token to the wallet. And in order to do that, you click on My Assets and click Add New Asset. Then you search for Planet. And once you find Planet, you'll approve it. And this does cost a fee. It's about 20 cents worth of Algo. And once you've added Planet, then you can send over your Planet tokens from MEXC or Bitmart, and you'll have the Planet token in your wallet. Then you can check out and purchase your license. So once you've purchased your license and set up your device, now you will download the Planetwatch app. After you've downloaded the Planetwatch app, you'll create a Planetwatch account. And once that account is created, you'll then go to Wallets and you'll connect your MyAlgo wallet that you set up earlier to the Planetwatch app. Once you've connected your MyAlgo wallet to the Planetwatch app, you'll then click on Sensors and you'll click Add a New Sensor. Then you'll log into your Awair Element account and you are going to choose the license that you want to use and the device that you want to use that license for. Once you connect your Awair Element sensor to your Planetwatch license, you're good to go. After that, you should see your daily rewards start to accumulate in your MyAlgo wallet. So once you've set up your device, that's pretty much it. You can set it and forget it. As long as it stays connected to the internet, you should be good to go and you should start to see those rewards accumulate. Another important thing to note is that you can only have one type of the same device connected to your network at a time. So if you have an element in your house collecting rewards, you cannot set up a second one within the same Wi-Fi network. The maximum rewards you can receive per day is 23 Planet tokens. It doesn't matter where you're located or what type of air quality you have, you'll receive around that amount of tokens per day. With the max amount of tokens rewarded per day being around 23 Planet, and Planet currently trading at around 35 cents, that is equivalent to about $8 per day. It's important to remember that 20% of that does go towards the project and the other 80% is what goes directly into your wallet. So with that being said, you're actually seeing an estimate of about $6.40 after that 20% is taken out. If you purchased an Awair element at $2.99 and then the Type 4 license for $42, if the Planet token continued to trade at 35 cents, it would take approximately 54 days to see your initial return on investment back. Now that 54-day estimate is if the price of the Planet token stays the same. It's important to remember that the price of the Planet token will fluctuate, so that will change the estimated time frame in which you will see your initial return on investment back. Another thing that's important to think about is that the rewards will be decaying over time, so you will not be receiving 23 Planet tokens for the life of the project. Eventually, we will start seeing the amount of Planet tokens that we receive start to decay. And that is going to help with the longevity of the project, and hopefully by the time they decay significantly, the Planet token is worth a lot more than it is today. All of this information can be found on Planetwatch's white paper, as well as their Discord and their website. So I definitely recommend looking at those resources for more information about Planetwatch and how everything works. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.